Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wi-Fi Dev Board with your Flipper Zero. First, carefully connect the Wi-Fi Dev Board to your Flipper Zero's GPO pins, ensuring a secure fit. Next, make sure your Flipper Zero is running the most recent firmware. Once connected and updated, power on your Flipper Zero and navigate to the Wi-Fi Marauder application. This initial setup takes just a few moments, getting you ready for network exploration. Now that your board is set up, let's scan for networks. Within the Wi-Fi Marauder application, select the Scan option. Your Flipper Zero will then display a list of all available Wi-Fi networks in your vicinity. Take a moment to observe the details for each network, including its SSID, BSID, and the channel it's operating on. This gives you a clear overview of the wireless environment around you. For ethical testing and educational purposes, you can perform deauthentication attacks. From your scan list, choose a target network. Then, select the deauth option. You'll be prompted to specify how many deauthentication packets to send. A common starting point is around 100 to 200 packets. Monitor the target device's connection status to observe the effect, always ensuring you have explicit permission for any testing. Beyond basic scanning, the Wi-Fi Dev Board offers advanced features. You can explore options like beacon spam or even setting up an evil twin for educational insights into network vulnerabilities. For deeper customization, connect the board to your computer to flash custom firmware or use the serial console for detailed logging and script execution. This opens up a world of possibilities for learning and experimentation. Always remember to use these tools responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.